Hello everyone, welcome to another episode from Jinko Electronics. Today we are investigating briefly op-amp circuits, analyzing non-inverting amplifier in particular. So let's jump right in. Before I move on to Multisim, let me explain briefly an op-amp circuit. Let's zoom close. A standard op-amp symbol is shown in the slide. The symbol with AD712SQ, that's an op-amp. It has two input terminals, the inverting input, which is negative, and the non-inverting input, which is positive, and one output terminal. The typical op-amp amplifier comes with two DC supply voltages, one positive and the other negative. Usually these DC voltage are left off the schematic for simplicity, but they are always understood to be there. It's time to switch over to Multisim environment now so that we can start the schematic. See you there. Welcome to the Multisim environment. I'm going to start placing my components. First I start with my op-amp. I go to place analog. Then I select my op-amp AD712. AD712SQ, yes. I choose A. Then I click cancel. I go to basic, get my resistor. Then I go to sources, get my DC power. Then I go to voltage sources, get my AC voltage. Then I go to DC power sources, I get my ground. I think that's all for now. Then I start my schematic. Now this R1 will be the feedback resistor. So I'm going to connect it here. Then I'm going to get another one here. I'll rotate by Ctrl R. Can place it anywhere here. Join it here. Join this one here. This is the feedback resistor. Then I now move my ground. Connect to my ground. Yep. Then my power supply. I need another one. It's split power. So I connect this to this. Get my ground here. This is a split power. Now I'm going to connect on page connector. I will name it V positive. V positive. So I'm going to connect it here. Then it's not here. I'm going to go back again. Going to rotate. This will be V negative. So now I'm going to assign this positive here. In page connector. In page connector. on page connector, sorry, I'm going to assign positive here. This will be positive. Then I'm going to get another one. I'll rotate. Assign negative to it. Then I connect. So these two now, this positive is this positive here, which is plus 12. This negative is this negative here, which is minus 12. So I'm done with the split power. Next, it's a non-inverting amplifier. So I'm going to apply the signal to the non-inverting input. And I'll also ground it. I can use any ground I like. Yes, so I think that's all for now. The next thing is the oscilloscope. I want to move this a little bit down. Let me use the 2 channel. I like to put it by this side, but any side you wish. Now, channel A, go to the input source. I'm going to give it a segment color of blue, while channel B, I'm going to give it a segment color of purple. Then I'm going to ground the scope. You can use 1 ground for both of them, doesn't matter. Yes, so I think we are ready to simulate. Let's click on the run icon, double click. Okay, we can see now. Let's increase the time, decrease the time, and increase the amplitude. I think it's okay like this. Yes, so if you see single, you can see this is an Opamp. You can see that it's non-inverting. The blue is the input, which is here. The purple is the output. You can see it didn't change the phase, it only changed the amplitude. Then if you go to your grapher, now, let me stop it. Let me expand it. You can see it. See your grapher. You can see we can even calculate the gain. Here is about, from here to here is about 1 amplitude, is 1 volt. But you can see now it amplifies to about 1 point. It's not up to 2, but you can see. So this shows that we are using a non-inverting op-amp amplifier, because the phase did not change, but the magnitude or the amplitude changed, because I applied 1 volt and I'm getting, let me use my cursor now. I'm getting is x2. I'm getting y2. I'm getting almost, wow, it's almost 2. You can see from here now. This is about, it's almost times 2, 1.998. You can see, so it amplifies it like almost times 2. I'll say it's times 2 amp. So that's it for now for the non-inverting. I will do the inverting next. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to help this channel to go forward. See you in the next video.